What's up, people? From the last few months, the Bitcoin price is going up. Everyone is investing in cryptocurrency. But why? And moreover, what is Bitcoin? In this video, let's go and discuss about that. So let's start. Bitcoin is not same as normal currency used in your daily life. It's a different one. It works as an exchange of value with peer-to-peer, which means no other parties like banks are involved in a transaction because it's a decentralized digital currency, which means it only depends on the market value, supply and demand. If sellers are more, it goes down, and if buyers are more, it goes up. As simple as that. You can't touch Bitcoin because it only have digital existence. You can only store it in a wallet, not a wallet that you keep money in it, but a software developed wallet. Next, the Bitcoin is developed by Satoshi Nakamoto, and he is an unknown person. No one have ever seen him. That too, it's not his real name. Bitcoin is one of the type in cryptocurrency, and there are 10,000 plus cryptocurrencies in the market. Among those, Bitcoin has the highest market capital, and it is popular. And there are currently 18.646 million Bitcoins are in existence, and still there are 2.353 million Bitcoins left to be mined. Overall, there can be only 21 million Bitcoins come into existence because the man who created the Bitcoin has kept the limit in the algorithm. Wait, before going further, let's talk about mining. Bitcoin mining is performed by high-powered computers that solve complex computational problems. These problems are so complex that they can't be solved by a hand. So you need incredibly powerful computers to solve this. And for solving this, you will be rewarded with Bitcoins. That's why there are many companies who set up powerful computers for mining, and also individuals will add up their devices to these companies to get a portion of Bitcoin rewards. But why we need to solve complex computational math problems? I'll tell you with an example. Let's say a person X wants to send Bitcoins to person Y. X will have two keys. One is a private key which allows him to sign digital signatures for a transaction and have control over his Bitcoins. And other is a public key which is given to others to receive Bitcoins. Y also will have his own two keys. Now X initiates the transaction. Then it shows unconfirmed, and after some time it's done. What happens on the back? Let's see. Mining comes here. When the person X initiates a transaction, the transaction message is created which contains the sender's private key, receiver's public key, and number of coins to be sent. It is sent to all nodes which are available and store it in a block. And this block contains a list of transactions just like this transaction. This is called mempool queue, where unconfirmed transactions are waiting to be validated by miners. Now the miners will select a collection of transactions, which means a block, and try to validate them by solving a computational mathematical problem as a proof of work. Miner will have no idea about from whom the transaction is made or to whom the transaction coins are going to. That's why the blockchain technology is secure and make the transaction anonymous. Because of this, cryptocurrencies are mostly used as illegal purposes. So, are you thinking that using Bitcoin is illegal? No, in India, using Bitcoins is legal, and also in many other countries too. So, let's get back to the example. Once they solve the complex mathematical problem, all the transactions listed in a block will be verified. Thus, it will confirm the transaction, and then the person X can see that the transaction has been confirmed. Now, let's talk about mining rewards. As of now, the miners will be rewarded with the new Bitcoins for solving the mathematical problems which verifies the transaction, plus the sender's transaction fee which is collected while initiating a transaction. And for every 4 years, the new Bitcoins mined for each transaction will be reduced to 50%. And as we all know that at most only 21 million Bitcoins will come into existence. Then the miners will only be rewarded with the transaction fee, and this will surely increase the value of Bitcoin. And at the time of making this video, the value of Bitcoin is 38 lakhs, and recently it went up to 42 lakhs. So in future, it may touch the new highs. And investing in Bitcoin will give you high profits, but this is my personal opinion. It's not investing advice, as investing in cryptocurrency is just like investing in stocks. That is risky. And that's it for the video. If you think the video gave you a good knowledge about cryptocurrencies and Bitcoins, then give me a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.